What's up guys, it's that time of year when we get to see what kind of Prime Day drone deals Amazon will give us. Now if there's anyone out there who doesn't know what Prime Day is, it's 2 days once a year where Amazon Prime members get discounts on just about anything you can think of, including drones and drone accessories. Now because I'm making this video the day before Prime Day starts, I don't have a full list of everything that will be on sale, but linked in the description is a page that I'm going to be keeping updated with all of the latest deals on drones, drone accessories, video editing gear, and filmmaking kit in general. But with that said, we'll probably see the Air 2S further discounted. It's currently sitting at $1,039, down from $1,299 in anticipation of the Air 3 launching, and I wouldn't be surprised if they discount it further to get the old stock cleared out before the new launch. And the same goes for the Mini 2. It's an older drone, which means that it's more likely to get a discount. There's also a slim chance that we might see a discount on the Mini 3 or Mini 3 Pro or the Mavic 3 Classic, but that's less likely because they are latest generation drones. And there'll probably be some good discounts on various drone accessories and editing gear, etc. So make sure to keep an eye on the page that I've linked below this video to stay up to date as Amazon releases new drone related deals throughout the 11th and 12th of July. And if you don't have a Prime membership, I'll put a link in the description where you can get a free 30-day trial, which will give you access to Prime Day deals. So hopefully you can snag some great drone deals over the next couple days, and I'm also doing a discount on Flying Filmmaker, my drone videography course, during Prime Day, and that'll be linked in the description as well. So happy deal hunting, keep on creating, and we'll see you in the next video.